Hey, it's Video Tech Dude from Video Tech Dude Academy, and in this video I'm showing you how you can join a Zoom meeting super quick. So let's dive into the video. Here we are on the desktop. I have my email opened. My link to my meeting I'm trying to join is in my email. It might be on a website for you or somewhere else, but you just want to find a link to Zoom. It probably will look different than this because this is from a certified business right here, but I'm going to click on the link. It will open up a new tab, or it should, and it says open Zoom meetings, and you'll want to push open Zoom meetings. A quick tip I like to do is, if it's something that I'm joining regularly, I go to where the lock icon is here. I hold down my left click, I drag it, and I can drag it to my desktop. I just release, and boom, there's a little link right there. So I can close out of Chrome, I can double click on this, and it will prompt me to join the Zoom meeting again. So all you have to do is, it might not prompt you this time, but you just hit launch meeting right here, and then it will prompt you open Zoom meetings. And now we have a preview of our video. So it's pretty cool. You can join without or with video, and it says always show preview. I like that checked just for security. Whoops, there we go. I'm gonna hit join with video, and now we are joining our meeting. It will probably say the host will let you in soon, or maybe the meeting hasn't started yet, but I'm just gonna let myself in using my phone, and right like that, we are connecting, and now we are good to go. It will ask you this prompt most likely. Sometimes it does not, but if it does, just hit join computer audio, and I'm going to be showing you how you can configure that as well. Just hit the button right there, and now our audio is going through perfectly, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you this whole Zoom interface, and so you can be familiar with it, and so you can become a master at Zoom. Now that you know how you can get into your Zoom meeting, make sure to check out my next video, which should be linked in the end and in the description below, on how to operate this whole Zoom menu and all the settings inside of it. So I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to be following the Zoom Master Series playlist, which will be linked down below as well, so you can become a master at Zoom. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.